Good morning. Did you try few questions?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in them?
Good morning, sir.
Any doubts regarding the remaining questions, previous questions? Shall we start with this question now? Question number
Yes, sir.
32.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
start.
sir.
How do we prove that the left hand side and right hand side are equal? There are two ways to do that. The first method is take left hand side, show that it is equal to right hand side. Else you can take right hand side, then prove that it is equal to left hand side. I would like to take left hand side and try that it is equal to right hand side. In the left hand side we are having 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. What can be done here?
So it is an identity.
We
You-
have to solve the right hand side, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is another method. Right hand side you can expand it.
Using identity.
After simplifying you'll get the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
Now
Both
I
are
am
equal.
Yes, sir.
taking left hand side.
Both
What do
are
we do
equal,
now?
sir.
If left hand side is considered, what to do?
We should solve it.
How?
Sir, it is an identity, sir. A plus
Sir,
B C whole square. Sir.
sir, are using identity
Observe
thing.
this. It is 2a square. I'll write it as a square plus a square. This 2b square, I'll write it as b square plus b square. This 2c square, I'll write it as c square plus c square. Now, minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Just observe this term a square plus b square
Minus 2ab.
minus 2ab. The combination of these three will give a minus b whole square. Isn't it?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a minus b whole square. Now you observe a square, c square and 2ac.
Yes,
So it's
sir.
a square plus c square minus 2ac. It is a minus c whole square. Or if you consider this term first and this term next, it becomes c minus a whole square. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you remaining you just see b square, c square and
Minus
2bc.
2 BC. Yes, sir.
This will
Minus 2.
be b minus c whole square.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but our right hand side. This is one method.
RHS.
Another method is taking right hand side,
Identity.
expanding them. A minus b whole square is there in the right hand side plus b minus c whole
A
square
square plus B square
plus
minus
c
2
minus a whole square. Expand it.
B square plus
This is a
C
square
square minus
plus b square
B
minus
square
minus
minus
2ab
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 plus b square
plus
plus
square
c
C
square
square
c square
minus 2
minus 2
times of
bc
bc
minus
bc
2BC
plus c square
plus
plus
square
a
plus
square
minus c
minus
square
2ac.
minus 2c
2AC. Yes, sir. Minus 2AC.
A square added to one more a square is 2 times of a square.
A square
B square added to
plus
one more b
2B,
square is 2 times of b
2B
square.
square,
At the
2B
same
square.
time, we get 2 times of c square. Remaining
Yes, sir.
terms of minus
Minus
2ab,
2AB,
minus
minus
2bc,
2AC,
minus
minus
2ac.
2AC.
This is
Yes, sir.
nothing but the left hand side. You can
It's
follow
correct.
either of the method.
RHS.
It's easy.
Yes, sir. It is easy.
Now observe the question. They have given a condition that a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to 0. Prove that a is equal to b is equal to c. We have to prove a is equal to b equal to c.
Sir, I got, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
here
Tell me,
also
sir.
you have to do a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square is equal to 0. Then root of 0 is equal to 0. A plus a and b are 0, sir.
Where do we get root?
Sir, a plus b whole square root we shift to 0, sir.
Is there any other way? What you are saying is you will consider this. What
Yes,
to do
sir.
with this?
A square plus B square plus C square on three.
I'll take this a square plus b square plus c square
Sir,
minus
you have to
ab
consider
minus bc
all
minus
ABC
ca
are 0, sir.
equal to 0. Now what to do?
All the numbers must be 0,
You
sir.
have to consider
Sir, I have
A
an,
is equal to B
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to C
A is
is
equal
0,
to
sir.
I have an identity, sir. A plus b
equal to
plus c whole
B
square is
equal
equal
to
to
C
a square
equal
plus b
to
square plus
0.
c square plus 2 times of a plus ab plus bc
We
plus
know
ca.
that identity I will write it. We know identity a
A square
square
plus B square
plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. This identity is known to us.
Yes, sir.
Now if you observe, these terms are present in both the above line and this line. Is there here?
Positive 2AB, sir.
Correct? A square plus b square plus c square is there.
Yes, sir.
Now if you want to get only this, these remaining terms are to be transposed. If you transpose it, we get a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This will be a square plus b square plus c square. You want to substitute it here? Then we will be getting a plus b plus c whole square minus 3ab minus 3bc minus 3ca. What is the use of that?
No, sir. Here that will get cancelled, sir. This minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 3ca.
Why you are
How
taken
they
as
will get cancelled?
Sir, because a plus b plus c whole square will expand in that 2ab, 2bc, 2ca will get cancelled
After,
with 5.
after expanding only we got this, right?
yes,
Again
sir.
you want to expand here? No.
No, sir.
A square B square
Sir, this minus 2ab in this right side term, sir.
Minus 2ab is no. What I am telling is we are replacing this with this. Then there is no use. Is there any other method?
Sir, we have to consider A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0, sir. Then we have to replace all with 0 and then we'll get 0 only.
That
Yes,
is like proving in another way. Suppose
yes, sir.
Suppose A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to some number if you take
5.
5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 5 minus 5 into 5 minus 5 into 5. 5 square is 25 added to 25 added to 25 minus 25 minus 25
Minus
minus
25
25.
minus.
These all will get
Yes,
cancelled.
sir.
We will be getting 0.
Yes, sir. Answer is
This is by
0.
considering the result.
Sir, or we can consider the result as 0 also, sir.
You can
Yes.
consider any number. Why
Any number.
0? So I have taken 5. It can be any number. But this is not a proof. We are not proving
Method.
that A is equal to B is equal to C. You
How to
have
do
to
this in
consider
algebra,
this.
sir?
How
You
to
have to consider
do it?
this and prove this. Is it possible?
Sir, we make groups of identity A minus B whole square.
A minus B whole square. What is the use of that?
No use, sir.
No use.
How to do service question?
Thinking, you also think
Yes.
what can be done. Can we make use of A plus B plus C whole square only and do something?
A minus B minus C whole square, sir.
A minus B minus C whole square. By using that, what do we get? There will be two
We
AB
get
term,
positive
two BC
A
term,
square, B square, C square, sir, and negative other identities.
but there will be difference, no?
Sir, in all the cases, value of A, B, and C will be equal, sir.
Value of AB and that is this proof only you are telling A, B, and C values are same. Can we
Yes,
do
sir.
something else? Something else we have to do. We should not consider the result itself for showing.
Sir, if we take
Let me
different
try.
values of A, B, and C, sir.
Or different value if you take, you'll not
We
get
cannot
equal
take,
to.
sir, because it is mentioned
Ye-
A is equal to B is equal to.
That is
But you have to
Given
prove it, no, sir.
A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0.
now I will try out in a different method. Let me consider this given thing. In the given, we have A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA equal to 0. This is given. From this given, I'll transpose all those negative terms to the right hand side and let me see what it will be. It will be AB plus BC plus CA. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I will just multiply with 2 on both the side. If I
Why, sir?
multiply, because I will be getting 2AB, 2BC, 2CA, so that I can do something over there. If I consider 2 times, this also will be 2 times. So what do we have is
2A square, 2B square, 2C square.
2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square equal to 2AB
2AB,
plus
2BC,
2BC
2AC.
plus 2CA. Now if I take this terms with a combination, what is that combination? Combination is this can be written as A square plus A square. This can be written as B square plus B square. This is C square plus C square. Now if I take this to the left hand side again, minus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA. If I consider this, this will become equal to 0. Now observe A square plus B square minus 2AB. What will be this?
A minus B whole square.
A minus B whole
A
square
minus B whole square, sir.
plus A square, C square and
C whole
2CA.
square.
A
C minus
minus C whole square.
or a minus c,
Yeah,
a minus c whole square plus
yeah minus c
remaining
whole square,
is
sir.
b square,
Yeah minus
b
c,
square,
sir.
c
B
square
minus
and 2bc, b minus c whole square. I got
b
now a
whole
minus
square,
b whole
0.
square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus c whole square equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
This combination is possible only when these are equal to 0. That is the only possibility.
Because 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square is equal to 0.
Yes. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
a minus b whole square must be equal to 0 and a minus c whole square equal to 0 and b minus c whole square equal to 0. This is the only possibility if it is in this format. So a will become equal to b and a will become equal to c and b will become equal to c.
Yeah, yes, sir.
This is
A
equal
is
to
equal to
0.
yes, equal
This
to
is the
C.
only chance. Therefore, a will be equal to b will be equal to c.
Is equal to 0.
Something you understood?
Yes, sir. We understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please tell once again, sir.
Once again, what did I do is I have taken the given. This is given. This I have taken it here. I have transposed this negative terms to the right hand side and I have multiplied by 2 on both the side. If 2 is multiplied on both the side, we will be getting 2a square, 2b square, 2c square. And we are making use of the previous question. 2a square, 2b square, 2c square, minus 2ab, minus 2bc, minus 2ca. The result is a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, c minus a whole square. That result I am using it here. This become equal to 0. This possibility of getting 0 is only when a minus b whole square become equal to 0 and a minus c whole square become equal to 0, b minus c whole square becoming equal to 0. If square of this is equal to 0, if you take root, a minus b will become equal to 0. So a will be equal to b. Likewise, a is equal to c, b is equal to c. So when a is equal to b and b is equal to c, I can write a is equal to b is equal to c.
Yes,
Little
sir.
bit understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see the next one. This type of question we had done. We need to square on both the side. Then we have to transpose this. The answer for this will be
23, sir.
23. Answer for this, how to obtain?
21, sir.
The result, whatever we get here now, that should be squared, not 23, not 21. It is more than that. Let me explain this. We will consider this and square on both the side. We will be getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times of x into 1 by x, which is equal to 5 square, which is 25. 2 is transposed, we will be getting x square plus 1 by x square equal to 23. This answer was correct. After this, we have to do again square on both sides. If you do squaring on both the side, we would be getting
527.
to the power 4, 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 times of x square into 1 by x square, which they get cancelled. 23 square. What will be that?
529 minus 2, sir. 527.
529. So 527 will be the result. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
At once we will feel that again 2 should be subtracted. We'll think that 21 could be the answer. But we need to square on both the side. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question is also on the similar lines. So I'll leave this because here also we have to do squaring on both the side. The thing will be answers are different. It will not be 23.
Yes,
What will
sir.
be the
Two
answer?
will be
What will be
added,
the
sir,
answer?
on the
Right
right hand
answer.
side.
27.
27 is the
And
answer.
27,
This
sir,
will
answer.
be
27.
27 square plus
231.
2.
5, yes, sir. 5,
531.
31, sir.
531, sir.
31.
531.
531, sir. 5 is
Hey, is it
531.
531?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, yaar.
531,
731,
sir.
sir. 731, sir.
27 square. What will be that?
729, sir.
729. Plus 2. 731.
731,
7,
sir.
31, sir. 7, 31.
So you can see the previous
7,
answer.
31.
But sir, 5 to the
Previous
power
answer.
4 is 625.
5 to the power 4.
Yes, sir.
We are not doing 5 to the power 4. From here, whatever the result we get now, this we are squaring it. 27 square we are doing. In the previous question also we have done the same thing. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In the previous question, we got the value of x square plus 1 by x square by squaring this. For this, we are not taking 5 to the power 4. What we are doing is 23 square we are doing. To that,
So
we
why
are
we are not taking 5 to the power 4?
why we should take? Why to take 5 to the power 4?
Sir, we can.
Sir,
Can you
27
see
square
the
is
result here?
729, sir.
You can see the result here. The result is obtained, which is in terms of x square plus 1 by x square. To
Sir, but
this
we
we
can
are
take.
squaring on both the side.
Sir,
Sir,
but we
can
can.
we take directly
We are not
x
doing
plus
this
1
5 to the
whole
power
to
4.
power 4, sir?
We should not take
Then
Yes, sir.
expanding will
because
be difficult, sir.
we don't have this identity
We know, sir, that.
to the power 4. Do we know how to expand this?
Yes, sir. We know that.
How?
No, sir.
Tell.
No,
We
sir.
don't
No,
know,
sir.
sir.
Please tell,
We
yaar.
know, sir. But
Sir,
we
I will tell, sir. X plus 1 by x whole square.
I knew that you would tell this.
yes, sir. X plus
Now,
whole
if you
square.
expand now, this will be like x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Huh?
Understood.
This will be equal to 625 because 5 to the
625.
power 4. 5 raised to the power 4 is 625, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if you expand again, you know how to expand this?
Yes, sir.
A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B
B
square
square
plus
plus
C
C
square
square
is 4 plus 2AB.
hmm,
It will become 2
plus
times
2b.
of x square into 1 by x square. This is 2AB term plus 2BC term is 4 times of 1 by x square. This is 2BC term. 2CA term is 4 times of x square, which is equal to 625. Now we are having this 1 by x square and 1 by x square. What we have to do here? We can take 4 common. We will be having x square plus 1 by x square. This result is required. If you solve in this method also, this result is required. 23 is required here. Let us substitute. What is 23 times of 4?
92, sir.
23 times of 4
92,
is
sir.
92.
92.
Now let us substitute x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is
6, sir.
6 added to 92. 98, which is
98,
equal
sir.
to 625.
98, sir.
So x to the
98.
power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is 625 minus 98.
98.
Subtract karo. What do we
3.
get?
523, sir.
527 only, sir.
527 only we get, sir.
527.
527.
If you feel
Sir,
that this method is easy, you can follow this method. I have no problem. But once again, we require this result now.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Most
sir.
of it is easy,
PU,
sir.
you have understood why we are not doing to the power 4 directly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you do to the power 4, again we would be requiring x square plus 1 by x square value.
Sir, after
Yes, sir.
After?
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, after 2x square into 1 by x square plus after that how 4 into 1 by x square plus 4x square came, sir?
You tell me how this is written. This is 2ab term. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is 2bc term. B is 1 by x square. C is 2. 2 times
Yes, sir.
2 would become 4. 4 into 1 by x square. This
Yes,
one
sir.
is 2ca term. 2 into 2 into x square.
2AB,
Yes.
2BC, 2AC.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let us see this question. This is also same.
Hello, sir.
We can tell the answer directly, right? This will be 36 minus 2.
34, sir.
34, sir.
34.
34, sir.
34 is the answer for this. For this one,
34.
34 should be squared minus 2.
1, 2, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, sir. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1154.
1154, sir.
Because 34 square will be having 6 in the units place. It will be 1156.
Yes, sir.
For this we are subtracting 2.
Why we
We
should
get
take
1154.
34 square, sir?
Yes, sir. 1154.
Somebody is having doubt. Yes, Ajay?
So why we should take 34 squares?
Why we should take
Are you
34 square? When we square this,
Are
we
you
will be
there?
getting this result x square plus 1 by x square as 34. Again, we are
Yes,
squaring
sir.
on both the side. So 34 square
Yes,
should be
sir.
taken.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
This also directly we can tell the answer now. It's very
Sir,
easy. 14 is the answer.
13, sir. Yes.
Yes,
14, sir.
14 is
14.
the answer. For this,
14, sir.
14 square is
294.
sir. 194.
194 and 6 minus
194,
194, sir.
194.
194.
4, sir. Minus 2.
Very
196
good. Very good.
minus 2 is equal to 194.
Now you tell the answer.
Sir, it is
38.
38, sir.
38, sir.
38, sir.
38, sir.
Good.
It is.
Naman, very good. 38.
38 square minus 2.
38 square plus 2, sir.
460, 66.
The
1504
is,
plus 2, sir.
units place has
1506.
6.
1506, sir.
1446.
Sir,
Sir, 1446, sir.
Yes, sir. 1446.
1446.
1446,
sir,
sir.
Very good.
1.46.
Because we are
Sir,
adding
I have
2 here.
2, sir.
Here we are
Sir, I
adding
have
2. We are not subtracting 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the doubt? Abhinav?
we are solving only a minus b whole
Sir,
square.
we
A
should
plus
subtract,
b
no,
whole
sir.
square.
Here it is a minus b whole square. So
We
we
have
will
to
be
add.
having minus 2ab term. This minus 2 should be transposed.
Yes, sir. Positive 2 will come.
It becomes positive.
Yes, it becomes positive. So 36 is added to 2. It becomes 38. Same way we are squaring. No.
But we should
only we have to
less
do
2,
now.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus only we have to do, I think.
Minus 2, sir.
1 4
Minus 2,
1444. 1444.
442.
42, sir.
2 will be the
Yes.
result.
Yes, sir.
1142. Correction.
1442.
Correction. When we square this, we will be having plus 2. So we are subtracting 2. Minus 2 is done here. From 1144, 2 is taken out. The result is 1142. Now tell the result.
18, sir. 18.
18, sir.
18 is correct.
18.
18, sir. 18, sir.
18 is correct. 18 should be
326.
squared. And we have to subtract 2.
322, sir.
So 320.
22.
22.
So
Plus
322.
322.
So here
Sir, we
also
have
we are doing minus 2. In this case, we are doing plus 2. Yes, sir.
83, sir.
Very good. 83.
11.
83.
83.
Absolutely fine.
83, sir.
83 square. बहुत बड़ा नंबर है. 83 square. In digit is 9.
Sir,
8, 8, 9,
6887, sir.
So
6,818, sir.
7.
9 minus 2.
7, 8,
2. Yes, sir.
6887, sir.
887.
Now it's a difficult question. They have given x plus 1 by x value and they are asking us to find x minus 1 by x value. How do we do this? Let us take this and
Sir,
square
that
out
second
this side.
equation is wrong, sir. Second equation is wrong.
Why second equation is wrong?
Yeah, Jewel with
Sir, when we do squaring of first equation, sir, we get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 79.
But they have given the value.
81 minus 2, sir. 7. 81.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, you can check one time.
79.
See, sir, x plus 1 by x, you can whole square on both sides, you'll get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 81, sir.
Correct. What you are saying is correct. 79 should have been there, but they have given this as a question. Ajay, you are watching TV. भाई का बदला क्या बदला लेंगे?
Someone is speaking.
YouTube.
Total gaming, sir. Free Fire video is.
Very good, Ajay.
He is seeing a YouTube video. Free Fire video, sir. Free Fire video.
Yo, Ajay, are you alive?
Remove him from the meeting, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, mute him.
Mute alone.
Mute him,
One
sir.
person cannot be muted now.
Yeah, complete ಮಾಡದಪ್ಪ.
Remove him, sir, from the meeting.
There is an option to expel. Expel means I have
Remove.
removed him.
Remove from meeting.
He left, sir. He left, sir.
He did not leave. I have removed it. I have removed him. Okay, sir. All right. They have given the value. So let me take
Yes.
this and try. If I square on both the side, I'll be getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, which is equal to 81.
Oh, sorry. 81 hours.
Now,
9 square.
what to do?
53 plus 2.
No, there is no use
So
of this
minus
here.
2, sir. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to.
There's no use of that. Let me take this only
Sir,
and square it.
equation is wrong, sir. That is.
Let me square this. What do I get is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2.
Minus 2, sir. Minus 2.
This value is given. It is 53 minus 2. It's 51.
51.
So
51,
x
sir.
minus 1 by x value is root of 51, which is not a square number. I think question is wrong.
Yes, sir. Equation is
What we do,
equation is wrong, sir.
एक काम करेंगे. This we will rectify this
Sir,
question.
83, sir.
Sir,
Let us
It should
make
be
this as
83.
So yes, sir, it should
83,
be
sir.
79.
83.
79.
yes, sir.
79 or it should be 83.
79, sir.
It should not be 79, yeah. Again, you will get
Or
77.
51.
Sir, 83
See,
minus
this is
2,
not
80
given. They should not
root
give
of
this.
9.
They
Okay.
should not give this. They should give
Answer.
only this. If then in that case it will be 83 minus 2.
Sir, it
It
should be
becomes
79.
81.
9, sir.
9 answer.
Sir, it should
9
be
is the
9 is the
answer.
79.
answer.
Answer is 9, sir.
Sir,
Sir, it
is
should
Should
be
be
70.
79. It should be
Sir,
83
but
only.
83, sir, it is.
Or else they should give x minus 1 by
Equal
x is
to
equal to
81.
9.
Yes,
X
sir.
minus 1 by x is
9,
equal to
sir.
9. In that case, x square
Root
plus
of
1 by
81.
x square will become 83. 83 minus 2 when we do, we get
If they give that
root 81.
question is
root
not there.
81 is equal to 9.
Question was wrong. Okay. X square plus 1 by x square is 27. Find the value of x minus 1 by x and x plus 1
Sir,
by
it's 1 by
x.
5, sir.
Let me try this by taking
5.
x minus 1 by x whole square first. Let
Yes,
us
sir.
expand
Yes,
this.
sir.
This will be x square plus 1 by x square
Plus 1 by x
minus
square
2.
Minus 2, sir.
2.
Is equal to
So this is
27.
27 minus 2, which is
7
25.
minus 25.
So we get
5.
x
Why is
minus
it
1 by x as a root of 25.
Root
5.
of 25.
We get 5.
625.
X plus 1 by x whole square if you take, this will be x square plus 1 by x square.
Plus 2.
Instead of minus 2, now it will be plus 2.
Yes, sir.
27
Plus 2.
plus 2, which is 29.
89.
But the answer is there in terms of a root. X plus 1 by x, we will get it as square root of 29.
By
This
root
is
of
only the result.
29.
This is the
sir,
result.
5 root 2.
Let us not find the value. Let us keep it as it is, root 29.
Okay, sir.
It is 5 point something, 5 root 2.
Yes, sir. 5.2.
Let us keep it as it is. Next question is similar. We are squaring these two terms. So let us
4, sir.
take up this. Direct answer we can say for this one, as we know how to do it.
398.
398 is the answer for this.
Yes, sir.
For
398.
this, we have to do this 398
398
square.
square.
Then subtract 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
2 will be unit digit, sir.
4 will be in the units place. Then subtract 2.
4 will be in unit place, yes.
Answer is 158, 402.
So 158402.
158 402. Very long.
402, sir. 1,58,402.
1,58,402.
Yes, sir. 1,58,402.
Yes. If this is x minus 1 by x is equal to 9,
11,
it will
sir.
be 11. Very good, sir.
11.
So
11, sir, it is
121 minus 2.
119.
119, sir.
119.
119. 119. 119.
So this one 81 minus 2.
79.
79.
79, sir.
79.
79.
Correct, sir.
79
This will be 79 square minus 2.
minus 2.
Units place 1 minus. So some
9
9
will,
will get.
9 will be units
9,
place, sir.
sir.
Yeah, 9 will be
Sir.
units place.
63.
79 square, yeah.
Sir,
9 cents.
6241.
6241, correct. Minus
6239, sir.
6239, correct.
6 to 4 on, sir. Is equal to
Correct, huh?
minus 2. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
6241 minus 2.
Yes, sir. Minus 2.
Yes. Now tell. They have given something like a plus b. We are asked to find a minus b. What to do, sir?
Formula.
Let me tell you. If a plus b whole square is there, when we use the identity, it is a square plus b
plus
square
b square
plus
plus 2ab.
2ab. Correct?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Now
correct,
if
sir.
I subtract 4ab from both the side, what do I
Minus
get?
4.
A
Minus
plus
2.
b whole square minus 4ab. Left hand side I am keeping as it is. In the right hand side, this becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Left hand
Yes,
side I
sir.
am writing as it is. What will be right hand side? A square plus b square minus
A
2ab.
minus b whole square.
The a minus b.
Now you observe, I am connecting this a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square by means of this 4ab.
0, sir. 0.
0.
Sir, if we a
No,
plus
sir.
b square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. 4ab minus 4ab 0.
No, yaar. What I mean to say is there is a relationship between a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. They are related like this.
Oh, okay, sir.
Why
Yes, sir.
did
Only
I tell
minus
this? We can make use of this concept here. If I know the value of a plus b, I can find a minus b,
also.
isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This
12
is
minus
x
4.
plus 1 by x whole square minus 4 times of x into 1 by x, which will be equal to x minus 1 by x whole square. This value is known to us. What is that?
12.
12
Well,
whole
sir.
square is
144, sir.
144.
Minus 4.
X
Which
and
is
x will
equal to
get
140.
cancelled. Minus 4. This will be
140.
x minus
140.
1 by
Root
x
of 140,
whole
sir.
square.
Root 140, sir.
Therefore,
Under
x
root
minus
140.
1 by x is a root of 140. Very good. This is the answer.
11
Understood?
root 3, sir.
Where the, sir, in the question, they not given, sir, square, sir. X minus 1 by x whole square.
Sir took root of.
Root of 1.
Doubt is there? Shall I
No,
tell
sir.
in a different
No, sir.
method? If you want me to tell in a different method, I'll do that.
Okay.
In this method, slight changes I'll make. First, I will consider x plus 1 by x equal to 12 and square it. I'll be getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 144.
144.
From this, x square plus 1 by x square is
140.
142, sir.
142.
42.
Yes, sir. 140.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
140.
Now you consider this particular thing and square it. X minus 1 by x whole square. Expand this.
X square.
X
This will
square
be
plus 1 by x
x
square
square
X square
plus
plus
1
1
by
by
x
minus 2.
square minus 2.
minus
Minus
minus 2, sir.
2.
Now let me call this as some equation 1. The value of x square plus 1 by x square is 142. So x minus 1 by x whole square will be equal to 142 minus 2. This is
Minus 2.
from 1.
140.
140. So x minus 1 by x is root of 140. Understood, sir? If not the
Yes, sir.
previous
Understood.
method, this you must understand. In
Yes, sir.
previous
Understood.
method, I have used this identity. A plus b whole square minus 4ab is nothing but a minus b whole square. This identity I have used. If you don't want to use the identity, this is the method. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Shall I end the session?
Sir,
These are few questions.
I time out.
3 questions left.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Uh, time is up. We'll do it tomorrow only. Try this question 48, 49, and 50. Try
Okay,
it.
sir.
Try it. We'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
After this, I have taken factorization chapter. There are
Okay, sir.
plenty of questions on factorization that will do it. Yes, sir. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are solving only a plus b, a minus b whole squares. Only these two identities we are solving in practical, sir, here. What about other identities like a plus b plus c whole square and a plus b whole cube?
Still, you have these two classes to go, isn't it? In class
Yes,
3
sir.
and class 10, exclusively will make use of a plus or minus b whole cube and also a cube plus or minus b cube. These two, actually four, these four identities. Along with that, there is another identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This identity also you will make use, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to just
Wait.
do this,
Yes, sir. Wait.
right, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If I tell now, there is no problem. You will understand, but it is of no use. It will
Confused.
not be asked in the exam. But for
Yes, sir.
extra information, I can definitely tell it. Thing
Okay,
is,
sir.
you will get confused. Okay, sir.
Confused. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Uh,
Keep
Thank you, sir.
studying. All the best.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
sir, in exams we should need graph sheets, sir.
In the exam, if I am asking something related to graph, it is required.
Yes, sir. Introduction to graphs.
Sir, but can we make
Properly
graph
made.
on paper only and solve it, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, on the
Yes.
paper only you can do it. But very important thing is don't do a handwritten one, hand drawing one. Use proper ruler.
Okay, sir. We'll use scale.
Yeah.
Scale you
Any
use.
other doubt?
No, sir.
Keep preparing. If any doubts are there, please share it in WhatsApp. I'll just solve it and send you back.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.